Hello everyone. As I conveyed earlier also that we have tied up with a global hiring platform by the name OptimHire, and the facility of job opportunity is available in our portal. So anyone who has signed up and all those who are yet to sign up can go to that job opportunity portal in our website and keep on applying against various jobs which are appearing on daily basis. So this is a very good opportunity for the professionals, for the youth to apply for jobs at international level and then get the job of their choice. Also, I wanted to tell you all that IT and software is one such field where lot many job opportunities are available. But for that, youth will have to come forward and sharpen their skill of their choice. For example, nowadays, various job opportunities are available in the field of AI, ML, cyber security, and various such topics like Python and other languages. But for that, in order to have a specific skill in a specific area, you will have to come out of your comfort zone, and apart from your degrees and everything else, you will have to come and take the skill set of your choice and then apply for job opportunities in these domains, latest domains. You will I am very sure that all those people who are undertaking the training courses with us are very easily getting the job opportunities. But I again will call upon all those who have graduated from professional colleges or who are undergoing the degree courses. They should come forward and take this opportunity of applying for job opportunities on our portal. And apart from that, they should also come to sharpen their skill in the latest field of industry so that they get the job of their choice. Lastly, anyone who is already working and if he wants to improve upon his degree, then also the admissions in the LPU are still open, and for another 7 to 10 days time they are still open as a special case, so that all those who have yet not applied can also apply in case of LPU. So I call upon all youth who are working to come forward for LPU courses, and all those who are looking for job opportunities to come forward for enhancing their skill set and then move ahead. So thank you very much. Jai Hind.